In this video, we'll be showing you how to make homemade kettle corn. We'll be using mushroom popcorn kernels. If you need to pick these up or a popcorn maker, we'll be leaving an affiliate link down in the description, meaning if you do make a purchase, we may receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Start off by beginning to warm up your popcorn maker. We're going to turn our stove onto a medium-low heat. To make things easier, we're going to have all of our ingredients pre-measured and laid out before we get going. We're going to have half cup of our mushroom popcorn kernels, and then we have 1/3 cup of our cane sugar, 1/8 cup of corn oil, and then finally 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Start off by grabbing the corn oil and then dumping it into the popcorn maker. Once the oil has been added to the popcorn maker, you'll want to begin to rotate that handle to begin to move the oil around and begin to heat it up. You want to make sure that it's nice and hot before the popcorn gets added into the maker. Once that oil is hot, as you can tell it's sizzling here, we're going to go ahead and dump those kernels in. Now once they're in, you want to make sure that you begin to start stirring them almost immediately, as you don't want them to stick or get caught up onto the popcorn maker itself. And then you will just keep stirring until they begin to all pop. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and add the salt to our sugar. This just makes it a lot easier when we dump it into the popcorn. And after just a few minutes of stirring, our popcorn is popping. And so we've got a lot of it going on. You want to make sure that you don't add the sugar or salt until all of it has fully popped or there's just a few that are left. As you see here, it has basically stopped popping, so we're going to go ahead, have one person keep stirring, and the other one is gently going to just add in the salt and sugar mixture. You want to try and make sure this gets spread out as even as possible, and then just keep stirring it for about another 30 seconds to a minute to make sure that popcorn gets fully coated in all the sugar and salt and kind of caramelizes. And after letting it go for 30 seconds to a minute, you are now ready to dump out the popcorn. I would recommend letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to let that sugar harden and also to let it cool before you begin eating it. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.